Hey guys, in this one I'm gonna be showing you how you can create Roblox T-shirt and upload it. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna be using Canva, and you can get it by using 512 by 512 pixels. Canva's a resolution Canva, and then or you can edit on any editing tool, by the way. So once you're done making your shirt design, as you can see, I have it here. My shirt design. I just put all these random things that I think look good. So now you have to download it as PNG. And then you have to go to Roblox site and go straight to create. Right after that, you go to the dashboard and then you click creations. And then to avatar items, you scroll down and then you can find classic t-shirts where your PNG should be uploaded after adding a few descriptions. So it should take, I think, a few minutes before your design could fully render, and here it is. You have the option to then monetize and sell your design for 10 Robux, or you can just simply let it be free. So the choice is yours. So that is the entire video, and I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.